Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade ice cream. First, gather your essential ingredients such as heavy cream, whole milk, and sugar. Make sure your ice cream maker's bowl has been frozen solid for at least 12 hours. This crucial step ensures your ice cream will churn properly and achieve the perfect consistency. Let's get started on crafting that delicious treat. Now let's prepare the base. Combine 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 cup of sugar in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved. Do not boil it. Once dissolved, remove from heat and let it cool before chilling it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight.
Quick recommendation: while your delicious ice cream is chilling, why not let a robot handle the cleaning? If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. And speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. You can find the link for this awesome product and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Once your base is thoroughly chilled, it's time for the fun part: churning. Pour the cold mixture into your ice cream maker's frozen bowl. Churn for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the ice cream reaches a soft serve consistency. During the last 5 minutes, you can add your favorite flavorings, like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a half cup of chocolate chips. After churning, your ice cream will be soft, similar to soft serve. For a firmer texture, transfer it to an airtight container. Place the container in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired consistency. When ready, scoop out your amazing homemade ice cream and enjoy it with your favorite toppings, like fresh berries or hot fudge. It's truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.